What is Arizona burial insurance? Well, first of all, let's get past a lot of the junk here. Arizona burial insurance is the same thing as final expense. It's the same thing. It's a whole life insurance policy. It's also referred to as Arizona burial insurance for seniors. It's referred to as a lot of things. It's not term life insurance. It's not an accidental only policy. It's not mortgage protection. It's important to know these things. Those are technically different. And not every whole life policy is going to be a burial insurance policy. But the simplified version of what we're talking about here is burial insurance is going to be a whole life structured life insurance policy that is for your final expenses, your burial, your cremation, your funeral. If you want to have a final financial gift for someone upon passing, things like that, that's often wrapped into that kind of a policy. So burial insurance is known as a lot of things. And anyone that tells you they're different, it is dishonest. They are not different. Okay, it's just terminology. So sometimes it's going to be called different things, but it's always going to be whole life. Any agent that structures a term or accidental policy for you, calling it a burial insurance policy, that's not accurate. That's not the way it should be, and potentially not honest. Not necessarily, but it's likely that it's not honest as well. So burial insurance policy, it's always going to be whole life because you want a policy that's not going to go away. It's not going to expire. It's not going to increase in cost. It's not going to change on you. If you get a term policy, I'll give you a great example, AARP. They have low-cost products. They mail out, they market very aggressively. They're term, okay? It's important you know that. They're term products that expire. And if you get, I'll just give you an example, if you get one of these term products at age 70, 75, because hey, oh, it looks pretty cheap. I can get a $10,000 or $20,000 policy and it's only $40 or $50 a month compared to if I go with this agent over here or over there and I get a whole life policy, and the whole life policy is going to be $100, $150 a month. You need to understand something very important. 93% of people approximately outlive term policies. There's a reason why they're structured the way that they are. Once that term runs out, just again with AARP as an example, once that term runs out, you're either going to be A, uninsurable, B, it's going to be 3 times the cost it would have been before if you would have gotten a whole life policy 5 or 10 years ago before you got that term. And so that's the big one is price as the most common. It becomes too expensive. You can't get insured once that term runs out, and then that's it. You're out of options for life insurance. You can't get anything in place to protect your family. Now, of course, the best thing is probably infuriating for you to even hear, but the best thing is just to get life insurance as young as possible. The younger you get it, the less expensive it is for you. But seize the moment. You know, if you're sitting and all of a sudden you're realizing, shoot, I need life insurance coverage. You know, this is something that I need to do for my spouse, something I need to do for my sons, my daughters, my children, my sister, my brother, my friend, whatever it is that you need to do. Just reach out. I'll see what I can do for you. I will absolutely find the lowest price possible for you. That's part of the process. But just know, seize the moment. You know, if you've waited until you're 84, you know, typically 85 is kind of the cutoff. End of 85, you can still get insurance. But if you waited until really late, it's going to cost a lot, but you should at least know what it's going to cost. So, you know, that's the bad news, is that they cost more as you get older. That's just the way it goes. Life insurance companies, it's a business. They've got to make money somehow. So my job and the job of my team across Arizona is we find the lowest priced burial insurance option for you, because we're an independent brokerage. So we reach out to all these companies. We find you the best price possible of something that is appropriate for your needs with a company that has a really high rating, so that they're financially solvent. They're going to take care of you. More importantly, they're going to take care of your beneficiaries. Okay. So yeah, burial insurance for seniors, you know, any other any other words you want to use for it, but in the state of Arizona, it's very key that you get an Arizona person to take care of you, someone that has access to lots of companies, not just in Arizona, but all over the country. Find you the best options, find you the best pricing. Reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. This is Chad with Protect with Insurance, signing out.